So storm restoration services are anything from an inspection to helping a customer look through an insurance claim that has already been filed, to looking over the estimate, helping them through the estimating process, talking with the insurance company, facilitating another inspection from the insurance company if the first inspection wasn't suitable, going through the restoration process as a whole, which also entails choosing materials and making sure that the final invoice and all of the money that might be recoverable from that insurance company after the claim is done is released from the insurance company in a timely